Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 1, Course Introduction. 1. Introduction to RPA. Definition and evolution of RPA. Benefits and challenges of RPA. Key industries and processes suited for RPA. 2. RPA tools and technologies. Overview of popular RPA tools, UiPath, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, etc. Criteria for selecting RPA tools. Setting up an RPA environment. 3. Building RPA bots. Understanding processes and identifying automation opportunities. Designing RPA workflows. Developing and testing bots using RPA tools. 4. Advanced RPA concepts. Integration with other systems, ERP, CRM, etc. Cognitive RPA and AI integration. Scaling RPA across the organization. 5. RPA implementation and governance. Best practices for RPA deployment. Managing bot lifecycle and maintenance. RPA governance and compliance. 6. Case studies and industry applications. Real-world examples of RPA implementation, lessons learned from successful RPA projects. Future trends and the evolving landscape of RPA.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.